Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about two powerful natural language processing models, ChatGPT and GPT-4. Both of these models have been developed by OpenAI, a leading research institute in the field of artificial intelligence. In this video, we will discuss the similarities and differences between ChatGPT and GPT-4, their capabilities, and the potential impact they could have on the field of natural language processing. Before we dive into the specifics of ChatGPT and GPT-4, it's important to have a basic understanding of what GPT models are and how they work. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it refers to a type of deep learning model that is trained on a massive corpus of text data. The goal of these models is to generate human-like text that is coherent and relevant to a given prompt. ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT family that is specifically designed for conversational AI applications. It has been pre-trained on a large corpus of conversational data, which means it is capable of generating human-like responses to a wide variety of prompts. This model has already been integrated into several chatbots and virtual assistants, and it has shown great promise in terms of its ability to hold engaging conversations with users. GPT-4, on the other hand, is a much more powerful and sophisticated model than ChatGPT. It has not been released yet, but OpenAI has already made several announcements about its capabilities. According to OpenAI, GPT-4 will be capable of generating text that is virtually indistinguishable from text written by humans. It will be able to perform a wide variety of tasks, including language translation, summarization, and even creative writing. Now, let's compare ChatGPT and GPT-4 in more detail. First of all, it's important to note that ChatGPT is already available and has been used in several commercial applications. GPT-4, on the other hand, is still in development and has not yet been released to the public. In terms of capabilities, ChatGPT is primarily designed for conversational applications. It is very good at generating natural-sounding responses to user prompts, but it is limited in terms of its ability to perform other tasks. GPT-4, on the other hand, is a much more general-purpose model that can be used for a wide variety of tasks. One of the biggest differences between ChatGPT and GPT-4 is their size. ChatGPT is a relatively small model compared to GPT-4, which is expected to be much larger and more complex. This means that GPT-4 will require much more computing power to run, which could limit its accessibility for smaller companies and organizations. Finally, let's talk about the potential impact that ChatGPT and GPT-4 could have on the field of natural language processing. ChatGPT has already shown great promise in terms of its ability to hold engaging conversations with users. As more companies adopt this technology, we could see a significant shift in the way that people interact with chatbots and virtual assistants. GPT-4, on the other hand, has the potential to revolutionize the entire field of natural language processing. Its ability to generate human-like text could have far-reaching implications for everything from creative writing to legal documentation. However, there are also concerns about the ethical implications of such a powerful language model, and it will be important to carefully consider these issues as we move forward. In conclusion, ChatGPT and GPT-4 are two powerful language models that have the potential to transform the way that we interact with machines. While ChatGPT is already